Hey friends, in this video we are going through 5 high interest savings accounts with no monthly fees. And all of these bank accounts are guaranteed by the Australian Government's Financial Claims Scheme up to $250,000 per account holder per ADI. The 5 high interest savings accounts that we'll be going through today are Ubank, ING, Up, Macquarie and Westpac. This video was recorded on the 25th of January, so by the time that you're watching this video, some of the interest rates on these savings accounts may have changed. So let's jump straight into the first high interest savings account, which is Ubank. Ubank has an interest rate of up to 4.1% per year, and this is made up of a base rate of 0.1% per year, plus a bonus interest rate of 4% per year. There are some eligibility requirements to qualify for the bonus interest rate. You'll need to open a spend account and deposit $200 per month into any of your spend or save accounts. There are also no monthly fees on any of your save or spend accounts with Ubank. If you do use your Ubank card overseas or make any purchases online from an overseas company, they don't charge you any international fees. And if you do use your Ubank card overseas to take out money from an ATM, Ubank doesn't charge you any fees. However, sometimes the ATMs overseas may charge you some fees. I've been banking with Ubank for the past couple of years, and something that I really like about Ubank is you don't have to jump through too many hurdles in order to achieve their bonus interest rate. And if you're wondering what the Ubank app looks like, here's a quick demo. So as you can see, I'm just going into Ubank. I have my different accounts here, and it allows me to open different bank accounts for different savings goals, which is something that I also really like. In order to pay someone, it's really easy. I just click on pay and then I can add in the contact details. Another benefit of using Ubank is they do have OSCO, so it's really quick to send money and also receive money. And they also allow you to pay or receive money through Pay ID. And you're also able to open shared bank accounts with Ubank. You can also connect other bank accounts to Ubank so you can see what the balance is on those other bank accounts all within the Ubank app. And you can even connect credit cards to the Ubank app as well so that you can see all of your transactions in the one place. Something else that I do like about the Ubank app is the bonus interest rate applies on all of your bank accounts. So as long as you are depositing more than $200 per month into your accounts, then the bonus interest rate applies on all of your accounts. By the way, if you would like to try out this bank account for yourself, I do have a link below in my description that you can use so we can both get some free money. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So the next bank account is the ING Savings Maximizer account. With this savings account, you can earn an interest rate of up to 4.55%. And this is made up of a standard variable rate of 0.55%. However, if you do meet the interest rate requirements for the bonus variable interest rate, then your variable interest rate would be 4.55%. In order to qualify for that extra 4% bonus interest rate, these are the eligibility requirements. The first one is to deposit at least $1,000 from an external source into your account. The second requirement is to make 5 or more settled, not pending, eligible ING card purchases. And the final requirement is that you are growing your savings account balance every month. With ING, there are no account fees on your save accounts or spend accounts. If you use your ING account overseas, there are 0 ING international transaction fees. And there are no fees on ATM withdrawals. However, the fees are waived when you do meet the eligibility requirements for the bonus interest rate. It is also important to note that when the criteria is met in a calendar month, the benefits will apply for the next calendar month. And here is a quick look at what the ING app looks like. So I just go into ING, and as you can see, I've got my pay account and I've also got my save account. And if I do want to pay someone, it's really easy. I simply click on pay. I'm able to transfer or use BPay. I can pay someone using a bank account or their Pay ID account. ING also uses OSCO, so it's really quick to pay someone and also to receive money as well. Overall, I think that this is a great account because they do have a very, very high interest rate of 4.55%. However, there are quite a lot of eligibility requirements. So if you do plan on using your ING account to receive your salary and also to make card purchases every month, then it could be worth it for you. And if you would like to check out this bank account for yourself, I have a link below in my description so we can both get some free money. The next high interest savings account is the Up Everyday account. The interest rate on this savings account is 3.35% per year. And these are the requirements in order to qualify for the interest rate. You need to make at least 5 successful purchases using your Up debit card per month. And if you do use your debit card overseas, there are no overseas purchase fees. And if you do plan on making ATM withdrawals overseas, there are also no fees on that. Some benefits of using Ubank is the app is really easy to use and the branding is honestly just a lot of fun. And if you're wondering what the Ubank app looks like, here's a quick demo. So this is what the Ubank app looks like. As you can see, it is very user-friendly and it does have a really cool design. If you do want to pay someone, it's really easy. You simply click on this little plus icon and then click on pay someone. Here you can use someone in your contacts or you can create a new contact. And you can also pay people using their Pay ID or bank details. And it also uses OSCO, so it's really quick to send money and also receive money too. And it's also really easy to open up separate savings accounts, so you can set up different bank accounts towards saving towards different goals. And if you would like to try out Ubank for yourself, I do have a link below in my description so we can both get some free money. The next high interest savings account is the Macquarie savings account. With this account, you can get a fixed welcome rate of 4.5% per year for the first 4 months. After this 4.5% welcome rate for the first 4 months, it does revert back to an interest rate of 3.7% per year. And there are no conditions or eligibility requirements in order to qualify for those interest rates. As you can see on their website, it says we don't have any deposit conditions on transaction accounts, offset accounts, or savings accounts to get access to our great benefits and earn interest. For example, you don't need to make a minimum monthly deposit to use the platinum benefits or make free ATM withdrawals. They also don't charge any fees on their bank accounts. And if you use your Macquarie debit card overseas, there is 0 international transaction fees on overseas purchases, both in-store and online. And there are also 0 fees on ATM cash withdrawals. In their terms, it does say you may see a $5 fee that applies to international withdrawals in our terms and conditions, but they are waiving this fee until further notice. So that's something to keep in mind if you do see a $5 fee. Some benefits of using Macquarie Bank is that they do have no eligibility requirements in order to qualify for their interest rates. So if you're not sure if you're going to meet the other eligibility requirements from some of the other high interest savings accounts, then this could be a good option for you. They also have a gift card marketplace where you can receive e-gift cards for a discount. For example, you can get 4% off Woolworths gift cards, 3% off Coles gift cards, 5% off Myer gift cards, 3% off Amazon gift cards, and more. You'll get access to this discounted gift card centre just by being a Macquarie customer. So the final high interest savings account is the Westpac Life account. With this account, you can earn up to 3.75% per year. And this is made up of a standard base variable rate of 1.35% plus a 2.4% bonus interest rate. Something important to note about this account is you're only eligible for the bonus interest rate if you are aged between 18 to 29 years old. You also must make 5 eligible purchases using your debit card per month. And your account balance must be higher at the end of the month than it was at the beginning of the month. There are also no fees on the Westpac Life account. However, if you are aged over 29, there may be some account keeping fees. If you do use your card overseas, there's a 3% transaction fee. And if you are withdrawing money from an overseas bank account, there may be a fee of $5. And this is for non-Global Alliance partners. Another benefit of being a Westpac customer is that you may be able to access extra cash back using the ShopBack app just by being a Westpac customer. As you can see here, you can get up to 10% bonus cash back at Apple by being a Westpac customer. And you're also able to access special discounted gift cards by being a Westpac customer through ShopBack. By the way, if you haven't already signed up to ShopBack, you can use my link below in the description so we can both get some free money. And this is what the Westpac Life account looks like. I just go onto Westpac, and as you can see, it is really user-friendly and it just looks like a really nice app. I've got my different cards here, and I'm able to pay someone here really simply. I can pay someone using their bank account, PayID or BPay. Westpac also uses OSCO, so it's really quick to send money to someone and also to receive money. And the app is just very user-friendly and just looks really nice. They have recently updated it. Overall, this could be a good account for you if you are aged between 18 to 29, if you do plan on making at least 5 purchases per month using your debit card, and if you do plan on growing your account balance. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are looking for some credit cards with no annual fees, I did make a video about this up here. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!